Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing poha crispy balls or flattened rice crispy balls. This is something new that I've tried and it turned out really well. I love the recipe and I'm sure even you guys will like it. Let's start with the ingredients. Here I've taken one peeled potato and I've grated that. Next we'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of flattened rice or poha, half spoon of rice flour, 1 spoon of corn flour, salt as per taste, and 1/4 spoon of chili powder. Next we'll also add some chopped coriander leaves and 1 green chili chopped to add some extra flavor here. Now let us mix all the ingredients well. Please do not add water. The water released from the potato will be enough to make a dough out of this. So let's squeeze this well, or just mix all the ingredients well and give it a formation of a dough. It's ready now. Let's start making medium sized balls out of this. Make sure the balls are medium or small. If the balls are big, then it's time consuming for frying. So the ball is ready. We'll repeat the same procedure. We'll make rest of the balls out of this dough here. And meanwhile, we'll take a pan or a kadai, add some oil to it and let the oil heat while we are making these crispy balls. So here the oil is ready. We'll add the poha balls here. We'll let this fry until it turns golden brown, and make sure you're frying this on a low flame or low to medium flame, because if the flame is high, then the crispy balls will not be cooked well. So let's fry this. Make sure you just flip that around and cook it on both the side, or fry that on both sides so that it cooks really well. So now the balls are ready. We'll just serve these balls with some tomato ketchup, or you can also choose your favorite sauce or your favorite chutney with this. And it's really yum, guys. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section below. And if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned until my next video.